Hi, good morning, friends. This is Miss Maria and my son, Ezra. He's going to help us today with the Magic Penny Alpha Animals matching game. We're going to go over the letter sounds, and he's going to help us match them, okay? All right, let's start with, look, S.
S.
Susie.
Susie.
Snake.
Snake.
Can you find Susie Snake for me? Good.
Is it backwards?
Don't worry about that. All right, you ready? Look. O.
O.
For Ali.
Alley.
Otter.
Otter.
O.
Oh.
Find it. All right, the next one is Pa.
Pa.
P sound. P. Polly.
Polly.
Pig.
Pig.
Good. Polly. Polly. Pig. Go ahead. Find them on the mat, baby. Go ahead. The next letter is N. It's okay, puppy. Look. Nelly.
Nelly.
Newt.
Newt.
Make the N sound.
Ne.
Nelly.
Nelly.
Newt.
Newt.
Good. Can you find Nelly Newt on the board? Good job. All right. Look. Next letter is D. Danny. Dragon. Ezra. Make the D sound. D. Danny Dragon. Can you find Danny Dragon for me? You're doing good, baby. Come on. Let's move it along. All right. Look. This is R. Rosy Red. Can you make the letter sound R? Rosy.
Rosy rat.
Good. All right, good job. Next is Tammy T. Tammy Toad.
Tammy.
Good. Can you find Tammy Toad for me?
Okay.
Don't worry about it, baby. Just put it there. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just gotta get it there. All right. Next is Andy Ant.
Andy Ant.
Good. All right. The next is Eggy Iguana. Ezra, Eggy Iguana. Good, right here. Good. Don't worry about it. All right, next is Millie Moose.
Millie Moose.
Make the M sound for me. Millie Moose.
Moose.
Good. Oh, good. All right, next is F. Frankie Fish. Ezra.
Frankie Fish.
F.
Frankie Fish.
F. Good. You're getting better. Good job, baby. Frankie Fish. Okay, Frankie Fish. My son fell. It's okay, baby. You good. All right. And the last one is C. Calvin Cat. Ezra.
Calvin Cat.
C. Make the C sound. Calvin
Cat.